Hey guys, today I will show you how to add calendars to Confluence. So first log into your Confluence account with your Gmail account. So after that, go ahead and search for click on Apps on left sidebar. Click on Calendars by the way. Calendars is a premium feature on Confluence. So make sure you have a premium account, click on Calendars, click on Plus, click on Add New Calendar. Name your calendar. Test, for example. Add a description if you want and hit Create. Just change your space and hit Create. That's it, guys. So next step is to create a page. So click on plus Create button here on top. Page. Name a page, for example, Test Page. Go ahead and here and click on plus icon on inside your page and just choose Team Calendars. Just select your calendar here, type Test, and here we go. Select this calendar we just created. And that's it, guys. Click on Publish when you're finished, and this way you successfully added a calendar to your Confluence page. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.